I love this Stanley Thermos. I've been using it for several years. What I do with it is I make a hot cup of coffee in the morning before I go skiing or into the snow, and I throw it in here and I leave in the car, and then when I come back after I'm done for the day, it's nice and hot. I don't usually use this as my morning coffee, use this as the afternoon coffee to warm up after a day in the cold. So the nice thing about this is the lid is a cup, as you can see. And then if you unscrew this, there's little notches on it. I'll pull that out and show you. But you're able to pour it out like this, or you can unscrew this all the way and pour it out. It has a nice rubber gasket so it seals well. Here are the notches, so you can see when you unscrew it, allows liquid to come out and pour into the cup. And it's double wall insulated, it's stainless steel, it's really durable. So it's nice if you just throw it in the back seat. If it tumbles around, it's not gonna get damaged. It doesn't leak, which is lovely. And I've had a really great time using this, and everything stays hot for you when you're back at the car after a cold day out in the wild.